In under a minute, I'll show you the exact word mail merge path and the 2 clicks you need to start. We'll connect an Excel list, insert fields like name and address, preview each record, then finish the merge. First, go to the Mailings tab. Click the Mailings tab on the ribbon. That's where Word keeps Start Mail Merge, select Recipients, and write and insert fields. Choose Mailings, then Start Mail Merge, then pick Letters or Labels. Next, connect your recipient list. Click Select Recipients, then use an existing list. Pick your Excel file and confirm the sheet that contains names and addresses. Now insert fields and preview. Insert merge fields like address block or first name, then use preview results to step through each recipient before finishing the merge. A quick keyboard jump is Alt+M to open Mailings. Pro tip: save the main document first. Word keeps the recipient list linked, so your fields stay updated if the source file changes. If you're writing documents in Word, Gentext handles citations and bibliography work beside them, not mail merge. Gentext is a free Word add-in for citations and bibliography.